In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some additional genres of popular variations of TikTok videos.
This video is brought to you by Abby Pie's Academy.
So on your screen, if you go to home, you'll get some video that's recommended to you. Just the first one that pops up, and we're going to go to share. Just it's going to make some sound, and I'm going to quickly go over it. So I'm going to click on home, then I'm going to click on the bottom right share right here. Then you have options to share, and you can make a duet or react video. Those are very popular genres. So for react, you would actually create a collaboration video, kind of like you would riff off of their video, whatever this random video is. And see, like me, I would maybe record this and I'll make some kind of like a face, like, what are these guys doing? Because I don't even know what they're doing. They're putting coke into, this is just a random video. So in me, I would just make this video and I would be like,
Oh my God.
And then I stopped it. And then what I can do is then I can actually upload this because it's kind of a react video. I'm not gonna upload it because it's just a ridiculous video. But those are the two popular genres. If I go back and I share, I'm gonna exit this. But if I go back and I share, see right here you have the duet and react. Those are very, very common.
18 bottles of Coke later. Let's go.
So that's how you make those genres of videos.